Check it out, man. So it looks like this 7-inch dash cam is going to fit quite nicely. This is the LBW flagship 7-inch display. It's a competition for Carpuride, not for Chiggy, but for Carpuride, because Chiggy is still the shit to me. I'm gonna try to buy the AIO6 for the Onyx RCR ADV whenever I pick that up, but for the Teverun, man, I think this is going to be really nice. And it does have Android Auto. I can exit out of Android Auto by pushing the exit button, and then it takes me to these stats. Shows me the time, the date, compass, the miles per hour, the front and rear PSI including temperature. And then if I go to for example the settings, I can change the brightness settings and tire pressure settings, screensaver, reformat the camera, or the memory card. It does come with a 128 gigabyte card. I can restore to factory settings. This thing is pretty legit, man. For what it is, it's freaking tight, dude. I really like it a lot. Obviously, I would have it under the dash cam, which would be the little recording button. But because of the fact that I don't have a camera connected right now, it's only showing me a black screen. But this looks freaking nice. You could even have it set up differently, or push the home button, exit out of there, or again, go back to the Android Auto, or select the map so that everything looks more clear as you're traveling on your electric scooter or e-bike. Not bad, huh? So this is really nice for the price of $200, guys. I think it's a really good value, especially over Carpuride. And even the Chiggy at the Chiggy costs $598. Now the only thing I feel that I'm not going to be able to install is the TPMS sensors, because they're pretty fat from their little housing, and I have a feeling that it's going to get trapped like on the tire area there where the motor cable's at. I still got to test it out, but I don't think it's going to fit. But anyways, this looks freaking tight, man. I'm loving this so far. But now comes the fun part of installing the rear camera, because the rear camera doesn't have a quick disconnect for the front. It's a full cable that goes all the way up the stem and to the device itself. So I have to find somewhere to mount the camera from here, where the wire's traveling into the inside of the deck, traveling into this thing here, coming out from here, going into here, and then making its way all the way up this way, and coming out from that bunch of wires that you see there into the dash cam harness. So that's going to be a fun project. Let's see how it goes.